been a long wait, but fans are finally allowed back into football grounds across all levels in Wales, and we cannot wait to welcome you back. Your health and safety is our priority, so here's what to expect when you attend a game.
Firstly, you may have received a designated time slot from your club explaining when to arrive at the location, as well as parking and entry instructions. It is important that you arrive on your own or in your support bubble and maintain social distancing for the rest of the day.
Remember to bring a face covering. You will need to wear one throughout the day. Before entering the ground, you will need to have a temperature check. If it's higher than 37.8 degrees Celsius, you will not be able to attend the match and you will be asked to leave the location. After checking your temperature, you must wash your hands at a sanitisation station, which will be clearly marked. Some paperwork will need to be completed before entry, including a track and trace form and a medical questionnaire. Next, you must take your position to watch the match. The terrace will be clearly marked, showing you where it is safe to stand. There will also be a limited number of seats available at the ground, so keep an eye out for those marked with a green tick. Stewards will be around the ground and ready to help you should you require any assistance. For your safety and the safety of others, we ask you to respect the stewards by maintaining social distancing and listening to their instructions. You will be able to purchase refreshments if you fancy a cuppa and a pie. We recommend contactless transactions when purchasing food and drink. We know it's difficult, but we kindly ask you to maintain social distancing when celebrating a goal. We encourage singing to create an atmosphere, but please wear a mask whilst doing so. Remember to listen out for any PA announcements, as these could contain important information for supporters. By following these guidelines, we will get back to enjoying football and supporting our clubs in the safest possible way. We cannot wait to have you back.